All right, come on, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Where are we going?
We're going to Lucky's garage. He just called right now. He's got an emergency 911 job. So you all know him from popular shows like Lucky's Garage. All right, let's go.
Hold on, shop.
Maybe we should do some donuts. What do you think?
Let's go. They hit that.
We're gonna hit the curb, dude, or are we gonna?
That one right there.
Hey, you need to sit in the truck bed, and then
just fly out.
All right, Lucky. What's up, Lucky?
Picking up that engine, huh?
Yeah. Where's Lucky at?
He went to, he got some steering column bullshit to fix.
Steering column bullshit. Yeah, here we are, Lucky's Garage, picking up this beautiful 6.2 LS3. Apparently, he had a little bit of an oopsie. What happened with it? He got a little happy. Oh yeah, here we go. Here, got a little too happy with the booze then, huh? Bam! All right. Ready? Nice thing about these LSs, man, they're light.
That's one of the standard ones out.
Yeah, it looks like somebody.
That's one of the standard ones out.
No, those are not. These are metric, bro.
Got 99 sockets for the 10A1.
Got 100 million sockets, and we've got like 10 sets of each.
It's like this out of manual tranny. I see a little pilot bearing in there.
The breakdown,
So why are you breaking it down?
because it's got you'll see it's got a bit of ring. As the rings expand in the cylinder, they have nowhere to go because the cylinder's holding them. So then they start expanding, and the ends of the rings get closer and closer and closer until they actually touch, and that's called ring butting. When they touch, they bow out like that and break the top of the ring land off or score the cylinder. Who's going to want to reuse these rods with our forged pistons. So these are what they call a cracked cap rod. So the nice thing about it is you'll never mix up the caps because you'll never be able to get them on there back exactly the same way. Each one's unique. And I'll show you what we're talking about. See, as the cap comes off, the bolts and everything, you can see it looks like it was broken, and that's because it was. So it was one piece, and then they machined it and they broke the cap off to create a perfect mating surface. There we go. And there it is. So now if you try to put this on the wrong way, see how it fits perfect? Put it on like that, oh, it's mismatched, not gonna bolt up, not gonna fit. If you mix this cap up with any of the other caps, let's say you just take them all apart and throw them on the bench, you're gonna spend a good while trying to figure out which one goes to which. So you always wanna just put them right back on, number them. In this case, we know which cylinder they came out of, and we keep going. All the bearings look good. This engine didn't have a whole lot of miles on it. You can tell by just the normal bearing wear. Ooh, look at that one.
A little worn up. Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna venture to guess that this is the one that's hurt.
Yeah.
So another important thing about taking an engine apart is you're gonna learn a lot about what happened. It tells you a story. Yeah, that one got a little beat up. So a bit of bearing. What's up with this? It's like got like grease or something in between the rings. I don't know what they. Look at that. That spins nicely. Yeah, it's got a good amount of scoring on the cylinder wall right there. The one next to it is the one that had the bearing that got bit. And that right there is what caused the scoring. Now, can't really see if it's cracked from the top. To me, That looks like a foreign particle, not a ringland budding. Let's ask the experts. Hey there. So here's what we found here. See the heat in it.
Well, it's just in weld.
Oh, okay. See, and so it was touching, and that's creating more heat.
That's just button. If you had vacuum inspections and everything, you would have seen that.
And then that's what we see. It just a little started to pop the piston off, but it didn't quite crack. Definitely boost related. All right. Thank you, sir, for your professional opinion. We got to look up to our mentors,
The OGs.
the OGs. What do you think, June?
Not paid to think.
Not paid to think? Well, how about an opinion? Here. To me, it looks like they had the heads off of this because you can see that they took the old Scotch roll, Scotch-Brite wire wheel. We never recommend that because you create high and low spots in the deck surface. I mean, if anything, just
Yeah, to me, if they were that careless using something like that, who knows what got in there.
yeah, we're gonna go ahead and see how far out we need to go on this cylinder before we order pistons, because I could definitely feel the groove right here. Hopefully we could take it 5/1000ths and that'll be enough. We'll throw it in the hone and see where it goes. Let's go get this handy dandy tool real quick. The main cap puller. Yeah, this makes life easy when doing LS's. Yeah, especially if it's a doweled LS. So let's see how the main caps look. Okay, a little bit of material went through number one. Not bad. Go ahead and pop the bearing out, put it in the wash. Number two. Doesn't look bad. Not terrible anyway. Doesn't look bad. I don't know how many miles are on it or what the story is, other than Lucky called up, said, hey man, we got a smoker. Isn't that nice how they spin like that? That's right. Okay. So we want to pop the bearings out. Wow, the hand bearings don't look halfway bad.
All the parts into the wash. Block.
Ah, look at that. Fresh out the wash. Well, today we got figured out. Got it all torn down, cleaned up. Tomorrow we'll put this block in the hone and see what it will clean up at as far as oversize on the piston. Obviously it's cored up, so we can't go with the standard 6.2 bore. So hopefully it'll clean up at 5,000 over. If not, hopefully 10,000s. But we've definitely saved this one.